Mini pancakes or super cute silver dollar pancakes are like tiny, yummy versions of the breakfast that we all love. Mini pancakes are fun to make and they are even more fun to eat. Hi y'all! Welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are immaculate and the food is delicious. My name is Yanni, and today we're making mini pancakes. Before we begin, please do me a little favor and hit the like button, hit subscribe, and tap on our little notification bell. Let's get into it. In the bowl of a food processor, place the all-purpose flour, baking powder, granulated sugar, and kosher salt. Pulse it a couple of times to mix it. Add the milk and egg, and pulse 2 to 3 more times to make a batter. Be careful not to overbeat this to avoid creating a foam. Add the melted butter and pulse it just once more to incorporate it into the batter. Pour the batter into a squeeze bottle. Now, I like using squeeze bottles because they let you really customize the size of the pancake to your liking. Heat a nonstick pan on medium-high heat and coat the surface with vegetable oil. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan, and as soon as it starts bubbling, you're ready to add the batter. Squeeze about 1 tablespoon of batter to create a mini pancake into the pan. Repeat this all around the pan with multiple pancakes. Before the batter sets in the pan, you can top with like little mini chocolate chips or fresh berries, and let them cook until they're golden on each side, and then remove them from the pan. Make as many batches as you want, babes. Just don't forget to add butter between each batch to the pan. Plate the mini pancakes with like seasonal berries or your favorite fruit, and maybe even sprinkle a little fresh powdered sugar on top. Add Greek yogurt to the side, jam, whipped cream, syrup, or honey to taste. Another fun variation I see people make is like tiny pancake cereal. Use the squeeze bottle to make little tiny drops of cereal-sized pancakes. Then you can even serve these in a bowl with like a pat of butter, maybe even a little maple syrup. Do not add milk to the bowl though, otherwise it's gonna get like soggy and kind of gross. Take it from me, I have made that mistake before. For the full recipe, please head to the description box below, or you can go to cozymeal.com/recipes. Babies, if you haven't already, please make sure to hit the like button and hit subscribe. As always, my name is Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios. Bye!